Hola clase! In this video, we are going to talk about indirect object pronouns o los pronombres de los objetos indirectos or IOPs for short. These are used to indicate to whom or for whom an action is performed. So to whom or for whom are the questions that we're going to be asking to figure out what is the indirect object and replace it with or accompany it with an indirect object noun. Our indirect object pronouns in Spanish, just like always, go along with our subject pronouns. So first we have yo. The indirect object pronoun would be me, tú, te, él, ella, usted, le, nosotros y nosotras, nos, vosotros y vosotras, os, ellos, ellas, ustedes, les. So make sure to memorize this. It's very important to know which subject pronoun goes into what indirect object pronoun. And now the question is, when do we use indirect object pronouns? And we have a few instances here to talk about an action that's being done to or for someone. The first one being verbs that indicate giving or transmitting something. Por ejemplo, le di un regalo a María. Nos dijeron la verdad. The next example are with verbs that express feelings or impact. Me gusta el café. ¿Te molesta el ruido? We can also use it with commands or request. Dime la respuesta. Escríbele un mensaje. So those are with the commands or request. And we do have a few items of note with word order using indirect object pronouns. We can use them before a conjugated verb. Me envió un mensaje. We attach it to infinitives or gerunds. Voy a decirle la verdad. We attached it to decir being the infinitive verb there. We can also use it in affirmative commands that's attached. Dime la verdad. Di is the affirmative command, and we attach it to the end. And we can use it before negative commands. No me hables. Notice that it goes before the conjugated verb, but after the no there. A few quick tips to remember. Le y les becomes se when using both indirect object pronouns and direct object pronouns together to avoid repetition. Por ejemplo, le lo dije changes to se lo dije to avoid the double L repetition. And we can always include indirect object nouns if needed to clarify something, especially when we're using the indirect object pronoun le y les to further clarify or emphasize. Por ejemplo, le hablé a Juan.